First, expand both the equation. Okay. Expansion of x minus 3 squared, that will become x squared. 2 times negative 3, that is negative 6 times x, that is negative 6x. 3 squared, positive 9. Plus, expand. We have y squared. 2 times negative 5, that is negative 10, times y, negative 10y. 5 squared, that is 25, is equal to 10. Okay. Expand also this one. This is x squared plus y squared plus 2 times 1, that is 2 times y, 2y, plus 1 squared is 1, is equal to 25. Okay, then simplify. We have, cancel na minus. I-arrange muna natin. Okay, so pag i-arrange natin siya, that will become x squared. So, arrange na natin. Plus y squared. Next, negative 6x and negative 10y. Then 9 plus 25, that is 34. Tapos nilipat natin yung 10, magiging minus 10. Kaya 9 plus 25, 34. Minus 10, that is 24. So that will become plus 24 is equal to 0. Next, this one, we have x squared plus y squared. Dito yung 2y. Tapat natin sa y. Plus 2y. 1 minus 25, that is negative 24, is equal to 0. We can now eliminate by subtraction. Okay? Nung in-eliminate na natin, so cancel na po yung x squared, cancel na yung y squared. Anong naiwan? Ito. So, we have negative 6x, ilalagay natin. Negative 10y minus 2y, that is negative 12y. 24 minus negative 24, so parang 24, negative, negative, kaya positive. So, magiging 24 plus 24, that will become 48, is equal to 0. So, ito na tayo. Okay, so as you can see, all the terms are divisible by negative 6. So, i-divide natin siya ng negative 6. So, negative 6 divided by negative 6, cancel na yan. Maiwan na lang si x. Negative 12 divided by negative 6, that is positive 2y. Positive 48 divided by negative 6, that is negative 8, is equal to 0. Then, on this equation, let's solve for x in terms of y. So, therefore, we have x is equal to, ilipat natin yung 2y, magiging negative 2y. Negative 8, ilipat, magiging positive 8. Okay, so meron na tayong value ng x in terms of y, which is negative 2y plus 8. And then, isasalpak natin to sa equation na gusto natin. Okay, as you can see, ang mas madaling pagsalpakan neto is equation number 2. Kaya dito na lang tayo magsasalpak. Okay, we all know that x is equal to negative 2y plus 8. So, in equation 1, equation 2 rather, so isasalpak natin to. So, meron tayong x squared. So, ang x natin ay negative 2y plus 8. So, that is negative 2y plus 8 squared plus y plus 1 squared is equal to 25. Let's solve now. Since isa na lang yung variable, we can now be able to solve for y. So, simplify natin to. Negative 2y squared, that is positive 4y squared, Yung technique natin, 2 times 8, 16 times negative 2, that is negative 32y. 8 squared, that is positive 64. Plus, expand again yung ginawa natin kanina, y squared, plus 2 times 1, 2 times y, 2y, plus 1 squared, that is 1, is equal to 25. Combine like terms, 4y squared plus y squared, that is 5y squared. Negative 32y plus 2y, that is negative 30y. 64 plus 1, that is 65. Okay? 64 plus 1, 65. Ilipat natin tong 25, magiging minus 25. Ang naiwan sa right side is 0. Okay? But we all know that 65 minus 25, that is 40. So, meaning to say, papalitan lang natin to ng 40. Okay, look at the terms. They are all divisible by 5. Therefore, 5y squared divided by 5, cancel na, magiging y squared. Negative 30y divided by 5, that is negative 6y. 40 divided by 5, positive 8, is equal to 0. So, we have y squared minus 6y plus 8 is equal to 0. To get the value of y, factor out this 1. So, what will now be our factor? So, we have here y and y. What are two numbers? When you multiply, that will be 8. And when you add, that is negative 6. I think that is negative 4 and negative 2 is equal to 0. Okay, by zero property of equality, we equate both terms to 0. So, we have y minus 4 is equal to 0, and the other term is y minus 2 is equal to 0. Transpose, we have y is equal to 4, and y is equal to 2. So, this will be our answer. Y pa lang yan. So, ang y natin ay 2 at 4. Since dalawa yung value ng ating y, therefore, we have also two values of x. So, to solve for x, meron tayong equation 3 kanina. Salpak lang natin po yung 4 doon sa y. So, that will become negative 2 times 4 plus 8. So, we have x is equal to negative 2 times 4, that is negative 8 plus 8. Therefore, x is equal to 0. So, the point of intersection now will be 0, 4. If y is equal to 2, x is equal to negative 2 times 2 plus 8. So, negative 2 times negative 2, that is negative 4 plus 8. Therefore, our x is positive 4. Therefore, the point of intersection is 4, 2. Answer.